Today we're building a WordPress website using Claude Code's Ultra Code mode because apparently making a normal website was too peaceful. The goal is simple. We'll ask Claude Code to build a luxury watch e-commerce site inside WordPress with products, images, add to cart, checkout, and responsive design. And most importantly, fully editable sections inside WordPress. You can edit text, change colors, replace images, and update the website directly from WordPress without touching a single line of code. Not just a pretty HTML page pretending to be useful. First, what is Ultra Code? Think of it as Claude Code's big task mode. Instead of generating a code snippet, it can build and refine an entire project step by step. Step 1 is connecting Claude Code to WordPress. Now I'll paste the first prompt. You can find all the prompts in the description and copy them if you'd like to follow along. For this demo, I'm giving Claude access using WordPress credentials. This should always be done on a staging or test site, not directly on a live client website. This prompt instructs Claude to build a luxury watch e-commerce website with fully editable WordPress sections, product pages, cart and checkout functionality, responsive design, and properly integrated images throughout the site. Once the connection is established, we can start building. Once Claude finishes the first pass, we'll preview the homepage and review the initial result. The site is there, but of course, one prompt is never enough. That's how AI gets overconfident. One thing I like is that the sections aren't hard-coded. They can be edited directly inside WordPress, so changing text, images, or banners later is quick and easy. So now we'll add 4 more prompts one by one. That's all we'll do. First, we'll build the top half of the landing page. Then we'll continue with the brand story and lifestyle sections, add the technical features and trust building sections, and finally clean up the mobile responsiveness. Once those 5 prompts are finished, we'll add one final prompt. This final prompt makes sure all images are saved locally, inside WordPress instead of relying on external image links. Now we'll preview the website again. The layout may still need some polishing, but the main structure should be there. The watch branding, product sections, e-commerce flow. Next, we'll test the functionality. We'll click the Add to Cart button and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, the customer should be able to enter their details and complete the order. So this is not just a front-end demo, it's a working WordPress e-commerce flow with products, cart, add to cart, checkout, and responsive design, and fully editable WordPress content. The website may still need design polishing before handing it off to a client, but as a starting point, this workflow is useful. If you want a second part where we clean the design and make the site fully client ready, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Watch.